Hello, I'm Rainer Grüninger, Application Engineer at Kübler, and today I will show you how to integrate an EtherCAT encoder in TwinCAT 3. To integrate the encoder, we will go through the following steps. Our setup consists of a Kübler Sendix 5868 EtherCAT encoder, a Beckhoff CX2100 and the standard Ethernet cabling. The encoder is connected to the power supply via the middle port. As soon as the encoder is powered, the error LED will blink 2 times. The corresponding port LED will flash when the encoder is connected to the PLC. The run LED will flash in green when the encoder is ready to operate. In operation, the port LED will blink quickly. When starting a new project in TwinCAT 3, an EtherCAT master has to be created. To add a master to your configuration, click on Devices and choose Insert Device. Here just select EtherCAT master and the target type PC only. Once the master is created, you will see an overview window with all parameters of the EtherCAT master. To add a slave device to the configuration, right-click on the master device and choose Insert EtherCAT device. A list of possible devices will appear. If the XML file was placed in the right folder, the Kübler encoder will appear in this list. Choose the correct encoder version and click OK. Just like with the EtherCAT master, an overview window for the encoder will appear. Here all parameters concerning the EtherCAT slave can be found. To configure the network, click on the EtherCAT master device. Go to Adapter and click on Search to select the correct LAN port. Make sure you choose the one the encoder is connected to. For this tutorial we use TwinCAT 3, which is directly installed on the PLC. If you use a PC, you have to make sure your network card is compatible to EtherCAT. Depending on the preferred operation mode, the network card has to be real-time capable. If any compatible devices are listed, click on Install to implement them. In our setup, this is already done. To be able to operate with EtherCAT, the DC settings have to be set up for the system and the EtherCAT device. In this tutorial, we selected a base time of 500 microseconds. Within this time, a complete communication cycle is executed. To allow real-time communication, the EtherCAT slave has to be put into DC mode. Click on the encoder and navigate to DC. Here choose Distributed Clocks and Advanced Settings. Now you can choose your preferred cycle time. Ideally, the cycle time of this slave is a fraction of base time. This allows the encoder to update its sensor values fast enough for each base time cycle. To create variables in TwinCAT, right-click on Task and choose Insert Task. In the following window, select TwinCAT Task with Image and Accept with OK. The cycle time for this task can be adjusted, but is always a multiple of the base time. In this tutorial, we choose 2 cycle ticks, which equals a time of 1 millisecond. Now go to Inputs and right-click to select Insert Variable. This variable will represent the encoder position value. So a 4-byte format, double integer, is needed. Now click Link to select the corresponding encoder output. Choose Position Value and click OK. To activate the configuration, click on TwinCAT and select Activate Configuration. Confirm with OK in the following two windows. Now the configuration is activated and the encoder can be set to operational mode. Within the slave parameters, you can see all data objects if you navigate to COE Online. If you go to Online, you can initiate the operational mode by clicking Operational. Now we can observe the actual encoder values. Alright, that's how to integrate the Kübler Sendix 5868 encoder in TwinCAT 3. The encoder is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Your Rainer Gröninger.